Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we'll learn how to create a stunning PowerPoint presentation in just 5 minutes. First, start with a blank presentation. Change the layout to a blank slide, then create 4 duplicate copies of it. Go to the View tab and click on Slide Master. Delete all the slides except the blank one. Then, remove any remaining objects from the blank slide as shown in the video. Right-click on the blank slide, select Format Background and choose a new background color. Now that we have our formatted slide, create 4 duplicate copies by right-clicking on the slide panel and selecting Duplicate Slide. Next, select the second slide and add content by typing or copy-pasting text, images, or elements. Align and format everything neatly for a professional look. Repeat the process for the remaining slides while maintaining consistency in design and layout, as shown in the video. This ensures a visually appealing and well-structured presentation. Add a heading to the first slide. Then, go to Insert Shape, select a rectangle, and place it on the slide. Duplicate it 4 times to cover the entire slide. Select all 4 rectangles, go to Format Shape, choose No Line, and set the transparency to 100% for a seamless look on your slide. To add a mouse over effect, go to Insert Action, select Mouse Over, choose Hyperlink to Slide, and link slide to the first rectangle, repeating for the rest. Copy all 4 rectangles and paste them onto each slide to maintain consistency and the mouse over effect throughout the presentation. Create an emoji on the first slide by inserting a circle for the face. Add 2 small circles for the eyes and 2 more for the eyeballs. Insert a semicircle to make the mouth. Select all the shapes, go to the Format tab, choose Top Bevel under 3D format and adjust the width and height. Finally, change the colors as desired. Select the bigger circle, go to Insert Action, choose Mouse Over and apply the effect as shown in the video. Copy the emoji and paste it onto all slides. Then click on Normal View. Slides. Adjust the eyeballs to match the content on each slide. And arrange the layout properly. Select all slides, apply the morph transition, and reduce the duration. Start the slideshow. Hover the mouse over the slides and observe the effect.